The importance of moisture testing your residential concrete floors. If you're a residential flooring professional, you know that testing the concrete is essential to ensure a successful flooring job. Ignoring moisture levels in the concrete can lead to costly and frustrating problems down the line. Picture this, a beautifully installed floor ruined because the concrete slab beneath it was seeping moisture. And there goes your beautiful floor. Planks curling up, carpet molding, and engineered hardwood separating or warping. It's a nightmare for both homeowners and flooring professionals. But fear not, there's a way to prevent this disaster. In this video, we'll explore the importance of residential moisture testing for your concrete floors. How to check for moisture in concrete floors. The most effective way to measure moisture levels in your concrete floor is to use an in-situ relative humidity test. However, for most residential applications, a moisture meter is the most practical option. With a pinless concrete moisture meter like the C555, you can easily scan a flat slab to get an idea of the moisture levels. How to know if your concrete floor has moisture. Moisture-filled concrete slabs can exhibit various signs, such as sweating or high humidity. However, these signs may not be present in newly laid slabs and can take years to manifest. To accurately determine if your concrete floor still has moisture, concrete moisture testing is crucial. By using a concrete moisture meter like our C555, you can place the meter on the slab and take readings to assess the moisture levels. Why moisture testing is important. Moisture testing might seem like an unnecessary step, but it can save you time, money, and headaches in the long run. Firstly, you don't want a floor to fail because you didn't test the concrete slab. Ripping up a new wood floor or carpet due to wet concrete is a tremendous hassle and waste of resources. By taking the time to check moisture levels before installing flooring, you can ensure that you've done everything possible to prevent future flooring issues. This not only protects your reputation, but also saves you from unnecessary expenses and delays. By investing in moisture testing with a concrete moisture meter, you can avoid potential flooring problems. Remember, testing your concrete for moisture is essential for a successful flooring job. Don't let moisture ruin your hard work. Take proactive measures to ensure the longevity and durability of your residential concrete floors. Interested in learning more about moisture testing for residential concrete floors? Visit wagnermeters.com for comprehensive information and resources.